So why form a Nevada LLC? Nevada has done an incredible job improving their LLC statutes. In fact, I got together one-on-one with the Nevada Secretary of State at the Capitol building in Carson City, and he told me they're determined to make the most favorable state in which to form an LLC. So in this video, we'll first talk about the top 10 benefits of Nevada LLCs, and then we'll dive into the details. Hi, I'm the business guy, and I set up my first Nevada corporation in 1991, and thousands of Nevada corporations and LLCs since then. Our company, which is also a Nevada corporation, started in 1906, and I believe we now have over 102,000 clients in our database. We have attorneys on staff who are experts in company formation. So if you want to set up a Nevada LLC, you can contact us at the number below. And by the way, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'd really appreciate it if you click the like button below so YouTube promotes this video. Thanks so much. And if you haven't already, you can click the subscribe button so that when more videos come out like this, you'll be up to date right away. As a little background and why you'd want to listen to me on this subject, in addition to forming companies in Nevada for over 31 years, I lived in Los Angeles for 20 of those years and had an additional office in Las Vegas where we set up Nevada companies. So as a licensed pilot, I would regularly fly my airplane to my Nevada office, and we still have employees in Nevada today. Now keep in mind you can use your Nevada LLC back home. First, have us set up your Nevada LLC, and then second, have us file documents that qualify your Nevada LLC to do business in the state or country where you live. And let me tell you, Las Vegas is a fun place with incredible shows, restaurants, hotels, casinos. I mean, how'd you like to visit Las Vegas and have your Nevada LLC meetings and take that trip as a write-off? We've seen perfectly legal ways to do it, so before you do, check with your CPA for details. So in addition to that, what are the top 10 benefits for forming a Nevada LLC? First of all, names of the members or corporate shareholders, and CEO for that matter, are not filed in the public records. Number 2, Nevada has zero business tax on corporations or LLCs and no personal income tax. Number 3, Nevada does not share financial records with outside agencies. Number 4, you do not have to reside in Nevada to form an LLC there. Number 5, offers protection for acting members and managers of corporations and LLCs. Number 6, a one-person LLC offers charging order protection. So when an owner is sued, the law can protect the member from losing the company or the assets inside. Number 7, LLCs and corporations in Nevada can offer stock or LLC membership in exchange for services, work, real estate, and more instead of cash. Number 8, LLCs are flexible in terms of management. That is, you don't even have to be a member or owner of a Nevada LLC in order to have 100% of the management control. Number 9, Nevada offers flexible profit distribution regulations to LLCs. And number 10, and finally, Nevada minimizes the risk, time, and cost when somebody sues your business. Now, there are some people who say that if you form a Nevada LLC and use it back home, that only the LLC rules back home apply. Not completely true. Study the case law like I have in just about all U.S. jurisdictions. Issues having to do with the intercompany matters and matters among the LLC members are regulated by the jurisdiction where the entity was formed. In this case, Nevada, where the laws are very business friendly and not by where the members or owners live. Now, if you are considering forming a Nevada LLC, let's first discuss exactly what an LLC is. An LLC, or limited liability company, gives limited liability to its owners, also known as members, and offers pass-through taxation structure by default. With a pass-through tax structure, the business does not pay taxes on its own income. Instead, any gains or tax deductions are passed through to the owners and are filed on their personal tax returns. Furthermore, you get to choose the tax treatment of your Nevada LLC. You can choose to have it treated as a single member LLC, taxed as a sole proprietorship, with 2 or more members as a partnership, or if you file additional forms with the IRS, you can use C corporation or S corporation taxation for your LLC. As with any state, there are some guidelines you must follow when you set up an LLC in Nevada, but there are also some significant advantages. For more information, read our article on Nevada LLC advantages and disadvantages. So now let's detail some of the benefits of forming an LLC in Nevada. Number 1, members, shareholders, that is owners, as well as CEOs and non-registered officers are not a matter of public record. That is, Nevada provides privacy of owners of LLCs. In Nevada, you can have a nominee director or nominee manager, and that is an optional service we provide so that one of our associates will show up in the public records as the Nevada LLC manager instead of you, should you so wish, because Nevada LLC laws state that the names of the LLC managers must be publicly filed, whereas your nominee will have no real control, but they can show up in the public records instead of you. So when some contingent fee attorney goes sniffing around for assets, he or she won't see your name online as being part of the company. As a nominee, meaning in name only, that person does not necessarily need to have an authoritative position in the company. Using this option helps to add further anonymity for those associated with the companies in Nevada. And naturally, this service is to be used for ethical and legal purposes only. And privately reporting the ownership or control to FinCEN is legally necessary. Owners of a privately held Nevada LLC and corporation do not need to have their names disclosed in the public records. And this helps protect the members and the shareholders from lawsuits, as the public cannot necessarily tie them to the company. So if a member or shareholder has a nominee step in as an LLC manager or corporate director, he can remain out of the public records. Reason number 2, Nevada has zero business tax on corporations or LLCs and no personal income tax. One of the most appealing aspects of forming an LLC in Nevada is that Nevada is a zero income tax state. Along with this, here's some of the other tax benefits Nevada offers. Zero corporate tax, zero franchise tax, zero stock tax. Nevada does not have personal income taxes for single member LLCs and LLCs taxed as partnerships. The income report, including gains and losses, is passed through to the individual members. Since Nevada does not have a state income tax, Nevada resident members of LLCs are able to avoid this extra taxation. Accordingly, combined state and federal taxation in most states hovers around 45% or more. When you consider forming an LLC where the tax burden goes straight through to the members, it is important to consider your state income tax in addition to the federal taxation rate. Now, depending on which state you reside in, the tax breaks can be significant, and as a flow-through entity, you will pay taxes where you live, but there will not be additional tax filings in Nevada. Reason number 3, Nevada does not share business or personal records with outside agencies. Since Nevada does not have an information sharing agreement with the IRS, this keeps a conflict between a state and federal computer from creating a red flag. Reason number 4, you can live anywhere and own a Nevada LLC. Aside from being 18 years and older, there are few regulations about who can form a Nevada LLC. This makes forming an LLC in Nevada an ideal choice for those seeking to take advantage of Nevada's asset protection benefits. And you can be located in another state or even another country and still form a company in Nevada. We also offer Nevada office programs, giving your company a Nevada address and a phone number answered during business hours. Reason number 5, protection for acting managers, officers, and directors. Piercing the corporate or LLC veil does not generally happen in Nevada. For acting members of corporations, Nevada offers immunity from lawful acts of the company. An individual can be protected from personal liability while holding a position in an LLC as long as it does not involve fraud or breach of fiduciary duties. Acting members include anyone who manages day-to-day operations, which includes anyone who makes decisions or votes on behalf of the company. Managers and acting members can be protected to the same extent. However, the decision can be left to the majority vote of the members of the LLC. So the bottom line is that in the case of most LLCs, no person can be held personally liable for lawful acts of the business. Reason number 6, a one-person LLC offers charging order protection. So when an owner is sued, the law can protect the member from losing the company or the assets inside. Reason number 7, LLCs and corporations in Nevada can offer stock or LLC membership in exchange for services, work, real estate, cash, and more. That is, if you're a member of an LLC, you have the option of receiving or offering services or property instead of cash. Not all types of LLCs support this option, but it is still worth considering as an advantage for those who want to be Nevada LLC members but are low on cash. Reason number 8, LLCs in Nevada are not subject to formal management regulations like corporations. Corporations are run by directors who oversee major decisions on behalf of the corporation, and officers who uphold and run the business on a day-to-day basis. LLCs, however, are not generally held to the same stringent annual formalities as corporations. Since LLCs have no shareholders, it does not need to have shareholders meetings. Since there are generally no directors, there is no need for board of director meetings as there are with corporations. This makes LLCs easier to operate. Reason number 9, Nevada LLCs have flexible profit distribution options. While there is no limit on the number of members allowed at any particular Nevada LLC, there are also no regulations on distributing profits from the LLC. One person can own 10% and receive 80% of the profits and have 100% of the control, for example, if that is what is written in the Nevada LLC operating agreement. Number 10, and finally, Nevada minimizes the risk, time, and cost when somebody sues your business. By minimizing the need for extensive LLC or corporate formalities, Nevada law helps minimize the risk of penetrating the company's shield. And with predictable commercial rulings in Nevada courts, the risk of litigation is further decreased. Finally, Nevada offers priority business hearings to reduce the time and expense of litigation. Nevada offers a highly regarded business legislation. This business mindset in Nevada makes it appealing to many looking to start a business. Offering low taxation, privacy, and protection, many agree that Nevada is the most favorable state in which to form an LLC. How to get more Nevada LLC information. If you'd like to form a Nevada LLC or have questions about the Nevada Office Program or Nominee Service, call AssetProtectionPlanners.com at 1-954-400-1050 or complete an inquiry form on our website. Please be sure to click like, subscribe, and share this video with others. See you next time. This is The Business Guy.